I've tried several things to get this triple stump out of here. I've tried digging it out, I've tried a rototiller, I've tried chainsaws. The one thing I haven't tried is water. Keep watching until the end to see if I'm able to use water to get this thing out of here. This gnarly stump is what's left after I cut down that tree in my very first video. We have some pretty big plans for this area that you'll see in future videos, but in order to do those plans, we have to get this stump out and this little maple out. I've done research on this tree. Previously, I said it was a tree of heaven. It's not a tree of heaven. And right now, I can't think of the actual name of it, but I'll drop the name below. From the research that I've done, apparently the top roots for this spread out over the surface of the ground, but the taproot has the ability to go down 45 feet. I'm hoping that's not the case here. We live in some pretty rocky terrain, so my hope is that I'm able to use some water to get the stuff out from underneath so that I can chainsaw this up into smaller pieces. Again, this needs to get out of here in order for us to do what we want to do in this area. You might not be able to tell, but this is a pretty steep grade coming down through here and in this entire area. What we'd like to do is flatten out all of this area and make it level so that we can do what we want to do here. So in order to clean out all of this stuff so I can get the chainsaw through here, I'm actually going to use my pressure washer and see if I can use the strongest stream to blast through all of this and out from under it, and hopefully I'll be able to either saw it out or pull it with my tractor. All right, here we go. So we're either going to create a swimming pool, a mud pit, or this is actually going to work. Let's find out. Oh! Well, we were able to blast through one side, so that's good. I don't know if you can see through there, but there is daylight on the other side. There is daylight coming through there, so essentially what I can do is make a chainsaw cut right through here and see if I can just pull this out of the way. We did make a nice muddy mess to work in, but that's okay. I don't know if you can tell, but got a little splashback. But at least now I know I can do it. So what I'm going to do is just keep working at this and hopefully clear out enough dirt around it so that I can saw this thing up and move it out in chunks. That was the game plan all along. Well, good morning, everybody. If you can't tell, it's a new day. Today we're going to try to rip some of this stuff out. I used a pressure washer to get underneath it so I can see what I was looking at and to see what kind of problems we had. It looks like this thing is just a knotted mess of roots. So we're going to use the chainsaw to kind of cut them up and see if we can't pull either one section or both sections out today. I'm not sure if you can tell, but it looks like this right here is all one root, and then there's this one here kind of growing underneath. So my plan is to cut up some of these roots here, this connecting one, and then some down in here, watching out for that rock. That will dull your chainsaw real quick. So on the other side, it's not any better. The plan is to snip this here with the chainsaw, this one, and maybe a couple down at the bottom, maybe that one too, and see if we can't just pull that whole chunk out, and then we'll deal with that one later. So let's get to cutting. For the record, I do not think this is going to work. We just wanted to see if it even moves at all. Yeah, I didn't think that was going to work. All right, now that we cut some more, let's see if I can't pull it out now. Yes, back up a little bit. We're also going to try to pull that out with it. There was a weak spot in this, and that was where it broke. Oh, we got it. Come on. Woohoo! It pays off to be stubborn sometimes. Cool. I put out a short about this, asking for advice, and a lot of people said many different things, from dynamite to running a Mini X. What are some of the other ones I said? A big fire. That was a good idea. It's a lot less labor intensive, just making sure the fire keeps going. But I really wanted to see if a pressure washer would work. And it worked with this other one. I got this one out. Was able to get the dirt out from underneath it and then just cut the taproot. So it worked out pretty well. I'm going to double down and do it again. This time around I'm keeping you guys back there because I don't feel like cleaning off the camera equipment again for the third time. Well, that's not good. I got a weak stream. I'm no urologist, but I don't think it should be doing that. Oh, all right. Now that we can see through there, I'm gonna cut up here and cut some of these roots and try to pull this little section here out in a way so that I can get in more under the stump with the pressure washer. I think the pressure washer was a good idea, but I don't think it's going to go the whole way through. So I'm going to go with the overwhelming comments on the short that I posted, and I'm going to light this thing on fire. We're going to burn this sucker out. I think that's going to do it for this video. As you can see, we ended up burning this thing out, but stay tuned because I'm not done with this project yet. Like I said, we do have plans for this area, and I want to keep working at this so it's nice and flat for what we have coming. I want to thank you for stopping by. Thanks for checking out the video, and I'll see you guys in the Oaks.
Mark just hit me from the outside. I'm gonna hit you. Maybe, probably. Yeah, just in my truck. Alright, I'm going out. Come out. I'm going in the